know that feeling, right? Like you're stuck on a pre-written script, just another character in the grand play of life. But what if I told you that script is blank, waiting for your pen? What if you, yes you, hold the power to rewrite your reality, paint your masterpiece, and sculpt a life beyond your wildest dreams? Look, we've all been told we're just leaves in the wind, buffeted by fate and circumstance. But that's a lie. The truth is, we're the architects of our own destinies. Every thought, every emotion, every intention is a brushstroke on the canvas of our reality. Think of it like this. Your mind is a cosmic transmitter, sending out potent waves that shape the world around you. What you focus on, what you feel deeply, what you truly desire, these become the blueprints for your life. In this video, we'll dive deep into the power of conscious thinking, harnessing emotions as fuel, and directing your intentions like laser beams to manifest your wildest dreams. All right, let's crack open the secret menu of the universe, shall we? The first dish on the table is intention, that potent blend of desire, focus, and expectation that acts as the fuel for manifesting your dreams. Think of it like placing an order in a cosmic restaurant. You wouldn't just walk in and say, "Give me something good," right? You'd describe your cravings, specify the ingredients, and maybe even whisper a little extra sauce, please. Intention is your order form to the universe. It's that burning desire in your heart, the crystal clear vision in your mind's eye. It's the difference between saying, "I want to be happy," and declaring, "I will build a life filled with laughter, meaningful connections, and adventures that make my soul sing." Here's the thing. The universe speaks specifics. Vague intentions are like whispering your order into the void. "I want a good career" might land you pushing paper in a cubicle, while "I aspire to become a revolutionary leader in sustainable technology, inspiring millions to build a greener future," will send a laser beam of desire to the cosmic kitchen. Imagine you order a healthy salad. Sounds good, right? But wait, did you want romaine or kale? Vinaigrette or lemon dressing? Croutons or chia seeds? Each detail matters. The more specific your intention, the clearer the picture you paint for the universe, the higher the chance your desired salad lands on your table, perfectly dressed and ready to nourish your dreams. But here's the flip side. A vague order can lead to some truly bizarre culinary mishaps. "I want to change" might bring a sudden downpour that floods your basement. "I need more excitement" could manifest as a car accident, a broken bone, or a surprise alien invasion. Though, hey, at least it's exciting, right? So, my friends, let's ditch the wishy-washy and embrace the power of precise intention. Be the Michelin-starred chef of your own reality, crafting detailed desires that resonate with the deepest parts of your being. Remember, the universe is a gourmet kitchen and you get what you order. So, order big, order bold, and watch your dreams come alive, plate by delicious plate. Friends, that's what happens when we lack clarity in our desires. We send muddled messages to the universe, leaving it guessing at our culinary fantasies. So before we fire up the cosmic oven, let's get crystal clear about what we're craving. Think of this process as writing the recipe for your perfect life. Do you want a spicy adventure of travel and exploration? A soul-soothing symphony of creative expression? A warm, gooey comfort cake of love and community? Whatever your heart desires, it needs to be defined on your terms, not someone else's. So, grab your cosmic notepad and start scribbling. Write down your dreams, your deepest yearnings, the things that make your soul sing. Speak them out loud, let them vibrate through your voice and fill the air with intention. Talk to friends, mentors, that wise old squirrel in the park, whoever helps you refine and clarify your desires. There was a lady named Selena, the aspiring artist who dreamt of showcasing her work in a renowned gallery. For years, her wish was a fuzzy, "I want to be successful." Then, she took action. She imagined the specific gallery, the feeling of her paintings bathed in spotlight, the connection with viewers. She wrote detailed descriptions, visualized opening night, and spoke her dream into existence. Guess what? Months later, she received an email from that very gallery inviting her to exhibit. Or take Amir, the restless soul longing for change. He started with a vague, "I want more excitement," but as he dug deeper, he discovered a burning desire to climb mountains, learn new languages, and connect with different cultures. He created a vision board, plastered it with images of snow-capped peaks and bustling foreign streets. He signed up for hiking courses, language apps, and volunteer programs in remote villages. And within a year, he was trekking through Nepal, sharing chai with villagers, and feeling more alive than ever. These are just glimpses into the transformative power of clarity. When you know what you truly want, when you paint a vivid picture with your thoughts and words, the universe becomes your willing sous chef, whipping up the perfect dish to satisfy your soul's deepest hunger. So, my friends, sharpen your cosmic spatula, embrace the power of specificity, and get ready to savor the fruits of your clearly defined desires. So far, we've tackled the menu, intention, and clarified our order, desires. Now, let's grab the magic paintbrush of visualization and bring those dreams to life on the canvas of our reality. Visualization is the art of using your mind's eye to create vivid pictures of your goals, feelings, and experiences. It's like building a virtual movie trailer for your desired future, complete with sights, sounds, smells, and that tingle of pure joy coursing through your veins. Think of it this way: every thought, every image you conjure in your mind resonates with a specific vibrational frequency. Intense, detailed visualization amps up that frequency, sending a powerful signal to the universe. It's like broadcasting your cosmic order on a high-wattage radio, ensuring it reaches every corner of the reality kitchen. Remember, Amir, the adventurer, didn't just picture mountains. He felt the biting wind on his cheeks, the burn of his muscles on the climb, the exhilarating rush as he reached the summit and gazed at the world sprawled beneath him. He saw himself connecting with villagers, sharing meals and laughter, learning new words and customs. This multi-sensory, emotionally charged visualization fueled his journey, propelling him from couch potato to globe-trotting explorer. The key takeaway, my friends, is this: visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's active creation. It's infusing your mental images with the vibrant energy of your emotions, turning your desires into powerful beacons that guide the universe to deliver your perfect dish. So, close your eyes, grab your cosmic paintbrush, and start painting the masterpiece of your dreams. Remember, the brighter you envision, the higher the frequency you broadcast, and the closer you get to savoring the fruits of your manifested desires. All right, dreamers, we've whipped up a delicious cosmic recipe so far. We have our clear intention, the order, detailed desires, the ingredients, and vibrant visualization, the painting. But here's the thing: sometimes we get so fixated on the recipe itself that we forget to trust the master chef, the universe. We get caught up in the how. How will this dream manifest? What steps do I need to take? Where's the instruction manual? This obsession with the how can actually hinder our manifesting magic. It's like dictating the exact spices the universe should use, limiting its infinite creativity and potential. Think about it. The most mind-blowing moments, the serendipitous twists of fate, the unexpected blessings usually come wrapped in surprise packages, delivered in ways we could never have scripted. So how do we loosen our grip on the how and truly embrace the power of trust? Here are a few exercises to shift your focus. Gratitude and appreciation. Instead of obsessing over how, shift your energy to gratitude. What are you already grateful for in your life? How has the universe surprised you before? By focusing on the gifts already received, you open yourself up to receiving even more in unexpected ways. Asking why, not how. Instead of how will this happen, ask yourself, why do I want this? Connecting with the deeper purpose behind your desire strengthens its energy and aligns it with the universe's flow. Remember, true fulfillment often comes from unexpected paths that serve your soul's purpose, not just your ego's desires. Practice surrender. Let go of the need to control the outcome. Trust that the universe has a bigger plan, a grander recipe than your limited human mind can conceive. Surrender doesn't mean passivity. It means releasing attachment to the how and focusing on the joy of the journey, the excitement of co-creating with the cosmic chef. Remember Selena, the artist? She didn't obsess over how her gallery exhibition would happen. She simply trusted her vision, the power of her visualization, and the universe's infinite possibilities. And lo and behold, the opportunity landed in her lap, not through an application or a connection, but through a chance encounter at a coffee shop with the gallery owner's niece. So, my friends, let go of the how and embrace the wow. Trust the universe's infinite wisdom, its capacity to surprise and delight. Focus on the why and the what. Keep your energy high with gratitude and visualization, and watch as your dreams unfold in wondrous, unexpected ways. The universe is an expert chef, and you're the co-creator, the taste tester, the one savoring the delicious journey of manifesting your wildest dreams. Now it's time to hold on, my friends. Before we blast off to your future paradise, let's address the elephant in the room, time itself. We humans love slicing reality into neat little chronological bites. But what if I told you time in manifestation is more of a wobbly jelly cube than a sturdy calendar? Time, in the grand cosmic scheme, is a playful construct we've built to make sense of change. But when it comes to manifesting your desires, clinging to this linear timeline can actually hold you back. Imagine trying to paint a masterpiece while staring at a single brushstroke. You miss the full picture, the vibrant dance of colors merging across the canvas. So, here's the secret sauce. Release the grip on time. Trust that your desires exist in a timeless realm of potentiality, waiting for you to pluck them from the cosmic orchard. Instead of fixating on when, focus on the what and the how you feel when your dream comes true. But wait, this doesn't mean time is useless. We can use it as a playful tool to signal the universe. It's like setting little stepping stones on your cosmic path. Want a new job? Set clear deadlines for yourself, not as rigid limitations, but as energetic checkpoints to keep your momentum high. Visualize yourself nailing interviews, celebrating with colleagues, feeling the satisfaction of achievement. These actions, aligned with your desires, send powerful waves of intention toward the universe, paving the way for your manifestation symphony. Now, get ready for a time-bending practice, the future progression exercise. Step into your future self. Close your eyes and take a deep breath. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, having already achieved your greatest desire. What does it feel like? Where are you? Who are you with? Let the sensory details flood your mind. The smell of success, the warmth of sunshine on your skin, the joy bubbling in your heart. Paint a vivid picture. See yourself living this fulfilled life in every detail. Picture the job you landed, the project you completed, the love you found. Immerse yourself in the emotions of this future reality, the pride, the satisfaction, the deep contentment. Let these feelings pulsate through your being, anchoring the vision into your energetic blueprint. Bridge the time gap. Now, gently pull yourself back to the present moment, but carry the energy of your future success with you. How can you embody that feeling in small ways right now? Take an action, no matter how seemingly insignificant, that aligns with your desired future. Talk to someone in your field, research that dream course, start writing a chapter of your masterpiece. These actions, infused with the energy of your future self, are powerful ripples on the cosmic pond, drawing your dream closer, one tiny wave at a time. Trusting the universal process. Finally, my friends, The journey of manifestation wouldn't be complete without a hefty dose of trust. Trust the universe's infinite wisdom, its uncanny ability to orchestrate events in ways far more spectacular than your limited mind can conceive. Remember, the universe operates on belief, not blind hope. The stronger your conviction in your desires, the stronger the signal you send, the faster the cosmic gears start turning in your favor. Understanding the universal laws that govern manifestation strengthens that trust. The law of attraction, the power of vibration, the interconnectedness of all things. These are not airy-fairy concepts, but real forces shaping our reality. By aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with these laws, you become a conscious co-creator in the grand cosmic play, not just a passive observer. So, there you have it, my friends. The power to manifest your dreams lies within, fueled by intention, clarity, and a dash of cosmic trust. The universe is your co-chef, always ready to whip up your greatest desires. Did this video tickle your manifesting taste buds? Let us know by smashing that like button and sharing this cosmic feast with your friends. And if you're hungry for more manifesting magic, hit that subscribe button and join our delicious journey. Until next time, keep dreaming big, creating boldly, and savoring every bite of your manifested masterpiece.